Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I'm Kulsum, a brand and web designer from India, and on this YouTube channel I share everything from tutorials to tips to business tricks to design tips. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the amazing content. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your project on Behance. So if you are not aware, Behance is an amazing website to showcase your projects as a beautiful portfolio. So today I'm going to show you how you can compact and create a beautiful collage-like portfolio for your project so that you can upload it as a single image on Behance and it looks amazing. It gives a very professional and sophisticated vibe. So let's get started. Behance, yes, you must have seen that people upload amazing projects over here and it becomes much better because of the way it is uploaded, because of the form it is uploaded in. So each project is uploaded in a way that brings out the best in it. So there are images for you to view, there's project information, everything is presented in a beautiful collage over here. So we are going to see how we can create this in Adobe Illustrator so that we can upload our projects in the same way. Create a new project over here. Now for Behance, the only thing you need to keep in mind is in pixels, the width should be 1400. Height, that is the length, can be anything you want. It can be infinite based on how many items you have for your project and what you want to present. So we are going to go for a landscape orientation with 1400 as the width. So this is the only thing that you need to keep in mind. So as you can see here, I have created one template which I want to use for Behance. So the only thing that I have kept in mind here is this width is 1400 pixels. Length is as long as I can want. I can edit it and I can make it smaller also if I don't have so many elements in the brand. But this is a basic template that I have created. I think it covers everything for the brand. So I have made this template and these are just rectangle boxes where I will add my images or mockups or whatever I want to add. Then this I have created for the color palette. I'll add the color palette here. Here I've created for the two main fonts. And then I can add any elements like highlights or maybe social media templates. Anything that I want to add, I can add in this square. Here I have given place to add the brand tone. Just a basic idea to give what this branding was about. Then these are for mockups. And at the end, we have an Instagram feed template that we can show over here. So this is a basic template. Let's go and edit it and see how our final Behance project looks like. So the first thing that I want to add is I want to add an amazing image over here that gives the overview of the brand. So I'm going to go and search for the image. I have downloaded some images and I'm going to just upload it. I think this goes really well with the color palette of the branding. So we are going to reduce the size and upload it. One more thing, adding these rectangle boxes gives me the benefit of using the clipping mask feature. So if I have an image that is bigger than the size that I want, I can just use the clipping mask and I can adjust it. As you can see here, this image is a bit bigger than I would want it to be. So I'm just going to put it, send it back, select both of these and just make clipping mask. And voila. So this is the benefit of having these rectangles as well. The next thing I need is I want to add my logo on this. So I'm going to go and I want this, but I want to change the color. So I'm going to make it this brand color and then I'm going to get it here. Yes, so this looks nice. So this gives a good overview of what the brand is about. Adding the logo over here on this image gives a very subtle and soft look and brings the bohemian vibe of the brand forward. So I really like it over here. The only thing I would like to do is I would like to reduce the opacity of this image or make it darker. So I'm going to add this and I'm going to reduce the opacity. Now I like it. It looks really nice. Next thing is about the brand. So we are done with the text. Next comes one more rectangle. So we are going to add one mockup over here. So let's search for a mockup and I think this will look good. So let's get this. And again, we just make the clipping mask. Wow, this looks really nice. It gives a very nice, it looks like a beautiful collage. Now let's move forward and we are going to complete this. So as you can see, now we have completed our collage for this project and it is looking just amazing. I mean, I'm so happy with how it turned out. It just looks perfect to showcase the complete project. It gives the overview of the project, it gives the idea behind the project, and it looks amazing. So the only thing left is we are going to export this and then we are going to upload it on Behance. Now I'm going to quickly show you how you can upload this on Behance. Once you have exported it, you have to come to your Behance profile and you can click on this share your work. And since it's a complete project, we are going to click on project. Now this page will open for you. This is the Behance has a very easy way of uploading. So ours is an image. So we are going to either click on image over here or over here. So we are clicking on the image and we are going to get our project. So as you can see now, the project is uploading over here. So you can quickly click and check it as a preview and see how amazing this looks. So if anybody is going to view this project, your project on Behance, then it's going to give a very sophisticated and professional look, like you know what you are doing. So we are happy with the preview. You can change some settings if you want. You can give the project title, tags and everything, and you can just go ahead and publish your project. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys found this useful, helpful and entertaining. Have you created projects like this before for Behance? Let me know in the comments. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out on amazing content like this. I'll see you soon again in the next video. Bye.